Welcome to the Stakeholder tool. To start, download the tool at the FSM Toolbox website. Click on All Tools. You'll find the Stakeholder Analysis tool as the second resource listed. Depending on your system, download version 32 or 64. At first glance, you'll be able to see About the tool. Here, you'll find a summary of what the stakeholder analysis is, as well as details on the tool itself. To start, the first step is to identify groups, organizations, or individuals influencing or influenced by the project. On the top menu, under Analyze the Stakeholder, click on Stakeholder Table. There, you'll find a table to list your stakeholders. To add additional stakeholders, click on the Add Stakeholder. First, add the name by clicking on Add Others. Identify the category from the selection given. Select primary or secondary. Search for the name you just created. Fill the communication type and further information. Once the list of stakeholders is complete, select Interest and Influence Analysis at the top menu under Analyze the Stakeholders. Select the category of the stakeholders. On the top of the table, you'll find criteria for interest and influence. For each stakeholder, evaluate their level of interest and influence for each of the criteria. Give a score from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. Once completed, save your data. All stakeholders will be analyzed according to their level of interest and influence. If you wish to add or modify the criteria under Interest and Influence, tap Criteria Definition. Here you can see the list of criteria for assessment and add if required. To see the table results, continue to Stakeholder Matrix. The matrix is divided into 4 groups, and the stakeholders are positioned depending on the level of interest and influence. By clicking on the Engage button on each of the 4 groups, a window will display with participation level and information on the communication tools. Start your stakeholder analysis with the FSM Toolbox.